It's grapple time! All right, guys. The last video that you saw, I was wrapping things up, but I'm actually still working. So guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Fab Fun. My name's Logan, and we're gonna work on this grapple. This is like part 4 or 9 or something. I'm not sure. But it's starting to take shape. I'm super excited about it. Having a lot of fun out here, all by myself, welding in the barn. Well, I guess I'm having fun. I got a lot of places to weld. All over the place. So I'm gonna weld all that up. It does fit well. It does engage properly in the quick attach panel that I bought a while back. This is 3/8 steel, one piece, bent and welded at the corners. It went in like a glove, just the way I wanted it to. I've got to weld that in there a little bit more on the front. I don't think I'm going to need any gussets, but I am considering it down at the bottom just to give it a little bit more surface area to weld on. But really, if you put a bead of weld all the way along that, all the way along the top, and it has some on the back side, I think that's going to be plenty. All right, every once in a while, hey guys, if you run a YouTube channel, every once in a while, check your audio. Make sure that your wireless mic is still connected. I've had to delete a lot of video because I'm going on and rambling and pointing stuff out and super excited, and yeah, my mic was, battery went dead, so had to get rid of that video. All right, let's turn this a little bit. Let's weld the ends, then we'll spin it around, we'll weld the front side of everything. That 1/8 inch 6011 rod goes quick when you're at 120 on the welder. Well, this will give you an idea of scale here. My front tires set at a width of about 72 inches, and the back is 83 on the bulge of the sidewall, I think. I tilted it all the way back, being very careful to make sure I don't have anything hitting. These operate pretty easily, locking in. I think it's got a good look. Obviously it needs to be painted, but I'm pretty happy with it just as a rake. Even without a grapple, I am content at the moment. Do not think it's going to have any problems. And I think with weld on both sides of this quick attach plate, at the top, on the back, and on the front, and the same thing on the bottom, based on how far these are apart and how much weld is there, I don't think I need to put any gussets in. I was using 1/8 inch 6011 rod, which is supposed to be pretty good penetration, at 120 amp on an AC 225 Lincoln welder for pretty much everything on here. I thought about going over some of the welds that didn't quite fill in a gap very well with some 6013 rod, but I'm not going for cosmetics, I'm just going for heavy duty and function. So if anybody wants to talk a little bit of crap about some areas that weren't filled in real well, that's fine. I know I'm not a great welder, but I like doing it, so hopefully I'll get better and better. And right now I'm pretty happy with it. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments section. We do appreciate everybody viewing. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you next time. Have fun.